G'day everybody. Well, I just figured I'd have a bit of a play around with the rotary compressor. Basically what I'm doing is going to belt it off the GMF Betts motor, 1/3 horsepower, and pull a vacuum on a drink bottle, because this thing actually works pretty well at pulling a vacuum, and you can actually implode things with it. I'll give it a shot on with this. It's just a 1.25 litre soda bottle, and then we might even try a oil can of some sort. I know I've got one somewhere that we can pull a vacuum on, see if it's got the power to implode it or not. But basically what I'm going to do is I made it feel like the belt being the clutch, so when I'm ready I'll just push on the motor like that, and it should in theory implode. But, get it in line. I've just been fiddling around with this, so it's probably not the way they should be run, but anyway, let's give it a shot. Basically like this. Oh yeah, camera straps keep them away. See what happens. That's quite impressive. Jesus, really crushed that bottle up. Yeah, that's really tight. I can't even get that undone. There we go. That's quite impressive, that. Oh, that's one way to make them fit in the recycling bin now. It also saves room. Anyway, I'll look for an oil can, try on that. Alrighty then, let's see what happens. Wow, I don't know what to say about that. Look at that. That's really impressive. I think I may have to set this up on a proper jig. I might actually take this rotor into school and maybe turn a V-belt groove on it. And I can run just set this up on a bit of wood. Make a proper compressor and vacuum pump. I was sort of concerned that the hose might crush in, because that's very thin walled stuff. It's not very strong. It's only just stuffed into the end like that. But that held up really well. I'm actually quite pleased with that. Yeah, that's one way to make them fit in your recycling bin now. Oh, enough messing around. Thanks for watching.